Welcome back. We're still waiting for the publicly traded stock Biogen to start trading again. It's halted, but it has received a rather surprising and blockbuster approval for its Alzheimer's drug from the FDA. Surprising because the last round from the FDA had been somewhat negative. It's a fast track approval, which means more testing will be needed, but essentially the FDA saying that the benefits may outweigh the risks at this stage. It is the first such drug in the Alzheimer's category to be approved since 2003. It is a valuable business. Obviously, a huge and important disease to tackle. Dr. Martin Tolar is with us now. He is the CEO of Alzheon working on a preventative Alzheimer drug just heading into phase 3 clinical trials. Dr. Tolar, thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Amanda. Pleasure to be here with you.
So can you just give us your context as someone who's working in this space of the importance of this announcement today?
It's tremendous progress for patients and for the caregivers. I mean, as you said, it's the first drug in almost 20 years that has been approved. It's the first drug that targets the toxic amyloid, something we're working on as well. And it's tremendous, for patients, for the caregivers, for the society, for all of us in working in this space.
We know that there were some, and we've talked to you before about some of the questions around the data that Biogen was producing and concerns. And even in this approval, there is this kind of asterisk of there are still risks here, but the benefit may outweigh them. What do you take from all of that? What do people need to know about this drug?
I think I'll start with saying that there's a clear sign of FDA's urgency and commitment to approve new treatments. I think that's very clear. It is true that the approval has been controversial, and the main reason is that it really has been approved based on one study and a biomarker data. So it doesn't really go to the threshold of the two well-controlled studies, completed. These studies have been discontinued after interim analysis and so forth. But you have to realize that there are more drugs in the space. There are two other antibodies that have shown clinical efficacy. It's the Eisai's lecanemab and then Eli Lilly's donanemab, and also our drug, which is the only oral treatment. These others are antibodies that have all shown that if you target these toxic oligomers, these toxic aggregates of amyloid, that you can help patients, you can slow the disease, and there's a potential really to prevent it as well. So that's really the main advance, because we know that one approach works. This is the one approach that works.
So then let's get to Alzheon and what you're doing. What stage are you at, and how does this change the picture for you? I mean, as you say, sense of urgency, maybe a change in thinking on the part of the regulator, which is probably good. Where are you with your own drug?
So we launched phase 3. We announced the dosing of the first patient last week, in fact. Really the advantage that we have tried to address vis-a-vis the antibodies is, number one, it's an oral pill. Number two, it does not have the side effects of brain edema and hemorrhage that have been really problematic for the antibodies. And really, as an oral treatment, it can provide not only therapeutic value, but also preventive. So that's really our contribution to this. And I would mention one other thing, that there's really nothing else in the late stage pipeline than these 4 programs with positive data. We published on this, we build the science behind the targeting the amyloid oligomers, but that's really it. So it's great that this first, has been approved and now will be available to patients.
You've had you've flirted with a public market offering. Where are you with that thinking, and might you do an initial public listing?
That's a very good question. So you have to realize that for 2 decades, everything has been failing in our space. And there were only few stalwarts, and huge kudos to Biogen for really sticking it out and making and pursuing the science as we have been. But there have been failures basically over and over. It's estimated hundreds of billions have been spent in Alzheimer's disease. And that's the reason why our IPO, nobody would buy it. I mean, we couldn't basically sell the deal. Now, you can imagine, so the right after the announcement, I had zillions of calls from investors, from bankers, from everybody. I mean, the era of Alzheimer's is here. Right. Alzheimer's is open for business. There's one approach that works, and we're the only oral, but one of the only handful of drugs that could be brought to patients in the next few years. Everything else is a decade behind.